Hello everyone. I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Let's create a beautiful dot mandala in this 10-inch board. I'll dot in the center with pearl golden yellow. I'll keep tiny dots in yellow. I'll keep very tiny dots in golden yellow now. I'll dot with pearl peach. I'll keep tiny dots in peach. I'll keep some dots in pearl scarlet. I'll keep tiny dots in scarlet. I'll keep some dots in golden yellow. I'll keep some dots in scarlet. Now some dots in peach. I'll work the dots in peach. I'll work the dots in scarlet. I'll keep some plumpy dots in scarlet. I'll make these dots into swipes. I'll keep some swipes in peach. I'll keep some dots in golden yellow. I'll keep some dots in yellow. I'll keep some dots in peach. I'll keep some dots in scarlet. I'll keep some dots in peach. I'll work the dots in peach. I'll keep some dots in yellow. I'll keep some brush strokes in yellow. I'll keep some dots in peach. I'll keep some brush strokes in peach. I'll keep some brush strokes in scarlet now. I'll keep some brush strokes in peach. I'll keep some brush strokes in yellow. I'll keep some more brush strokes in peach. I'll keep some dots in yellow. I'll work the dots in yellow. Somehow I love the color combo of this dot mandala. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.